Imagine a water pump that pays for itself. In Peshawar, the Water and Sanitation Services WSSP is finding a way, one solar tube well at a time. Out of the 547 tube wells that quench the city's thirst, 7 have been transformed. They no longer guzzle expensive grid electricity. Instead, they hum quietly under the sun, pulling up clean drinking water using clean energy. Each solarized tube well is saving the department a staggering 4 lakh rupees every month. But with hundreds more still waiting for a similar switch, a critical question arises. Can Peshawar afford not to solarize the rest? The story of Peshawar Solar Tube Well is a tale of two realities. One is a bright vision of the future where free solar power ensures affordable, reliable water and a lighter burden on the environment. The other is the present day hurdle of turning that vision into a citywide reality. The 7 pioneers have proven that technology and the savings beyond doubt, they stand as silent, efficient proof of a smarter way forward. The challenge now is one of scale and speed. As the sun rises each day over Peshawar, it offers not just light but a clear solution. Harnessing it fully for every tube well is the next essential chapter for the city's water security.
Big changes are coming to Gilgit-Baltistan. Starting in 2026, the federal government has opened a massive gateway for local business. For the first time, over 2,400 different items can now be imported through the Sos Dry Port completely duty and tax-free. That means no sales tax and no income tax on these goods. Why does this matter? It's all about making life more affordable for the people of Gilgit-Baltistan. By removing these taxes up to a limit of 4 billion rupees a year, must-have goods for China will become much cheaper. But there are 3 important rules. First, the importing companies must be owned by local with a GB domicile. Second, these goods must stay and be used only within Gilgit-Baltistan. And third, everything is tracked digitally to make sure the system stays fair. This move is designed to boost the local economy, create jobs and turn the Sos port into a true engine of growth for the region. It's a new chapter for trade in the north.